Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to upload picture or post on Pinterest. First, open Pinterest app, then middle option in the bottom, click plus button, click pin and select picture from your gallery and click next. Give your pin a title and about picture type this description area. Add the link of your website or profile page. If you schedule this post, then click pen option, select time and date, then click done and then click next. Right top, create your board or add any board. Create new board and click create. Now your post is ready for publish. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and click subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates.